So second last video, the Jetta is getting famous. So I got some idea. Maybe the Jetta get famous. It's full steel black. Currently, we are sitting in the Jetta, and tripod pipe has some issues. Like the clutch issue is being solved, and the rear braking issue is solved. The car is working now, working well now. Few little issues to be sorted to be soon, and I have some idea that Jetta is going to be famous, and because the project is not even started, it's just we are making it to through a break-even point right now, and once the break-even point will last for a few months, and then the project-wise stage 2 type planning or things we are planning for stage 2 or something will proceed the work for according to stage 2, overall stage 2 of Jetta. But Jetta is not the thing. Actual thing is that is I don't want anybody or everybody. I want to be keep remember the cruise. Okay, cruise, you know, the famous one, the cruise is the reason why this page got so much influence. Cruise is the reason why I started, how I started, because I also asked the poll on my community channel, and that poll is I asked if the people know how the cruise is being started. So I want to tell the story. Let's see, the story is like I was when once when I used to be in 12th. I was in 12th and going to my tuition. I saw the cruise. I saw a car which has full body kit, exhaust systems, and overall look making a sense. It's not like some guys do just alloys, oversized alloys, just exhaust, just stickers. There is a perfect balance of everything. The previous look of cruise, and I saw, wow, what a balance there is. I can see the exhaust. I can see two kind of spoilers in it, roof spoiler and wind spoiler, and I was so curious. I moved my after two to three times passing by the road on which I used to see her. So I tried once to look closely. So I came close to her. I saw that this thing is something. So my curiosity even get high. So I tried from where she came, who is the owner. I want to know more about this. So I found that that cruise is actually just parking in front of a garage. That garage. So I take all the courage in my ass and just one day decided it was when I was 12th and I was returning to my home. I decided I will tell that I am a car enthusiast. I want to learn more and more in this kind of whole stuff. So I went to the garage and I was like पूरी फटी पड़ी थी भाई, पूरी फटी पड़ी थी. फिर इंग्लिश में तो मूवी मेरी पूरी भाई मेरी फटी पड़ी थी. तब फिर मैं गया और पूछा मैंने, भैया थे वहाँ पे, एक दिलीप भैया थे वहाँ पे तब, दाढ़ी वाड़ी बढ़ा के. तो मैंने उनसे पूछा कि ये क्रूज़ का क्या सिस्टम है, इसमें क्या क्या मॉडिफिकेशन हुई है. काफ़ी डर था मेरे को उस टाइम पे. और फिर बात हुई कि मतलब मैं भी ये करता हूँ. मैंने उन्हें अपने डिज़ाइन दिखाए. मैंने कहा ये आई वॉन्ट टू बी इन टू दिस फील्ड, tell me if you guys can. And those guys are humble. I've met so many car guys, but there are very few people who are actually car guys, because just someone who has a good car is not a car guy, you know. And so I asked that who made it, what is this and all. I gathered some knowledge and tell that I want to do something, I want to be part. So from then after 2-3 times visiting the same garage, taking all my collecting all the courage from my body just to speak to those guys, because as a 12th kid I was so nervous, but I tried, and because I tried I went through. So after 2-3 days I met after Mehul Bhaiya, who is the actual owner of the garage and who is the actual owner of Cruise. And afterwards I told him more deeply ki I want to be this, I want to learn more, I can visit there. So he told me about many things. And after I used to game daily. I used to ask my doubt about car, how the engine works, how these damn modifications work, how this throttle body is working, what is happening, this and that. I used to ask him. So this is how. So this is because a cruise I saw. I saw cruise. It's like like complete modified car. Pretty looking, very pretty looking, balanced body kits, livery used to be on there, painted livery. Everything was balanced. So Mehul Bhaiya and his cruise is the reason why this page is being seen by you. So that's how it started.